Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to create a locations list screen using the Ionic Design Kit. This powerful tool makes app development simple with its pre-made elements. Let's jump in. On the left side of your screen, we're diving into code with snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, we're showcasing our custom layout built with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator shows the real-time results of our work. Feel free to pause the video anytime to catch all the details. Today's guide focuses on adding a user-friendly locations list screen to your app. This screen gives users a clear, organized view of different locations on the map, helping them navigate and make quick decisions. By offering a visually appealing layout, it makes exploring and finding destinations easy and enjoyable. With the Ionic Kit's design components built on the robust Ionic framework, you'll enjoy a smooth integration process. The Ionic Design Kit is a collection of ready-made components that designers can simply pick up and place, saving loads of time and effort. For developers, these elements are sourced directly from the Ionic framework, so there's no need for complex coding. This streamlined setup makes collaboration easy, making the Ionic Design Kit a valuable tool for anyone in app development. For code snippets and more details, head to our website. Ready to level up your Ionic experience? Check out the Ionic Design Kit for easy-to-use designs and a smooth development process. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more app development tips and guides. See you next time.